Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Hello Capricorn, this is your August business, money, career reading. So let's see what the cards have in store for you. Also, if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. And Capricorn, so your first card, Eight of Swords. So I feel this is talking about your recent past struggles that you had in career or your money situation, Capricorn. I think you're coming out of this energy because I do remember your readings. You were feeling stuck, things were not moving. At times, for a few of you, this energy could just move forward in this month also. So confused, in pain, don't know what's there in future, for the future. So Capricorn, this is your recent past energy, Eight of Swords. Ten of Swords in reverse. So yes, that's what I told you. You're coming out of that pain, trauma, all the backstab, deceit, whatever was at peak. You are leaving that. You left it in July and August. You are coming out of all these energies which made you feel stuck, or you were feeling held very firmly, confusion, pain, distress, so loss, that is sorrow. You're coming out of that pain. Two of Pentacles. Now, some of you are balancing. You are doing a very great balancing work, Capricorn here. You are either, you need to choose from an option. You have two options for a job situation, and you need to decide for one. Or you have, even in partnership, it could go the same way. Like you have, you have to choose one person who to associate with or have partnership with. Also, some of you could be balancing job and business both, which I feel here with Two of Pentacles card. And this is a fine, it is like balancing yourself in the storm. So it's like it's not that very going very smoothly. It's a difficult work, but you are doing it successfully here, what I see. So you are determined, and you make to make more money, to expand yourself, to grow yourself. So that is what I feel. There is a holistic progress to, and you are adjusting. That is also, you are adjusting with people around you, with terms and conditions, all that I feel. Six of Rods. So victory. So there is a victory for us. Some of you, there is a victory in a job situation, victory in a partnership situation, victory in a money situation. So maybe you have gone, you have worked for it. You are coming out victorious after fighting a battle. So this is the card, Six of Rods. It's like name, fame, publicity. People are looking up to you. People are talking about you, about your name, and you are in a position of power and prestige. That is your confidence is high. You are shining brilliantly. So this is what with the Six of cards, Six of Rod card has. Nine of Swords. Now, for some of you, you are still in that, some of you things haven't worked still out. There is like maybe there are health issues in family, or or about you not keeping well on the third thing. So you have a restless energy here. Some of you have anxiety and depression. Sometimes you feel lonely. You want to, just don't you are in so much of pain and sorrow, with this Nine of Swords energy. But you need to understand, again, Nine of Swords energy, the suffering is just going to come to an end. Like because energies extend from last month to this month. So hopefully by this month, and whoever, whatever Capricorn is still in this energy with these energies here, they will come out victorious. They will come out victorious. This is also what I get here from this Nine of Swords energy. You are sleepless at night, and it's a very painful and sorrow situation you all are going. Some of you are going through still here. You're getting nightmares, all that. Eight of Pentacles. Now this is a card for they're working hard on money situation, earning more money. How to earn more money, grow. Finances, family, buying, selling, investing, travel, education, all that you are looking forward to, which will grow you, which will bring you growth, which will bring your growth in money. So planning meticulously, you are done each everything, with the new vision, new possibilities. So that is what I feel with the Eight of Pentacle card here. You are looking for new ways so that you can expand your horizons and on good gains. That is what I feel with this Eight of Pentacles card. Strength. So being kind and compassionate and using logic, that is what I feel here with the Strength card. Also could indicate, there is a Leo person in your chart who is gonna be of help to you, who will provide that strength card, strength, that guidance to the strength here. What I feel, Capricorn, and mm, that is what also I feel, that there could be a Leo person involved. Anyway, you have a Leo in your chart, so that is what it comes with the Strength card here. So this is like, always, you don't have to be aggressive and shout out loud. Sometimes diplomacy work, kindness works, compassionate work, being compassionate works better than being forceful. So this is, I have strength, mental strength. It talks about mental strength. So be rock solid with mental strength, Capricorns here. The Moon card in reverse. So good one. I mean, it is in reverse, so it's a good thing. You're coming out of the stress. I mean, it all showing that there were a lot of stress. So you all of Capricorns are coming out of the stress, the hidden things that were there, which were they're not aware, maybe emotionally, or financially. There were so many things that were hidden. So Capricorn, finally you are coming out, but yes, it could take some time, or things could come to the fore. The hidden things will come to the fore, and you will get to know with this Moon card. Also, you are leaving your stress and anxiety behind. This is what with the Moon card in reverse I feel. So almost all the cards showing that you are moving ahead, with and you're adjusting, and you are now, I feel, taking care of yourself. You're doing self love. Some of you are shopping, clothes, luxurious luxury, just to feel good about yourself. Also, I feel there is travel with these cards. There is travel for job, travel for education, travel for business purposes for you. So many of you Capricorns. Four of Cups. So finally, there is, don't be self-absorbed in your pain and trauma, and there is a helping hand. Reach out to this helping hand with Four of Cups. You can see there is a helping hand around you. There is somebody who is offering you help. So do not get so soaked in your own pain and miseries that you do not see that. So that is like you come out of that, inner. You have soaked yourself with that energy, and come out of that, and you will see that there are various possibilities. That is what I feel here, Capricorn, in this reading. So now it's just that I will pull up, this is a angel message to, go across the month, which will help you, I mean, take the month afloat, which will make you float this month. in a peaceful, calm manner. So let's see what your angel guidance is. I have few cards in which I have meditated, and it is this energy that you need to follow through the month, Capricorn. Be ready for action. That's what action time now. And leave all the sorrows behind, leave everything behind, all the pain behind, all the you had a lot of struggle behind, and just take action now. Thinking has been done, planning has been done. It's action time now for Capricorn. So this is it, Capricorn, for August month. And it looks like a great month for all of us. And thank you for taking your time out and watching this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you do like what I do. And thank you once again. See you in the next reading.